Hey friends, and welcome back. It's Amanda from Maple Inn Home. Today I'm sharing an after dark home reset. Normally I like to take care of most of my tidying during the daylight hours, but this Saturday was pretty busy. My two oldest kids had their first soccer games of the spring season that day, and we've recently started a family tradition of Saturday movie night, so I didn't get much of a chance to clean up until after the kids went to bed. I didn't really mind it though. I find it really peaceful sometimes to just have some time to myself to clean while the house is at its quietest. I turned on a little music and a nice seasonal screensaver on the TV and got to work. If you enjoy a quiet evening to get things done around your house, be sure to let me know by hitting the like button down below, and we are going to get things started off this evening by clearing all the dishes off of the dining room table and loading up the dishwasher for the night. Now we prefer to run the dishwasher overnight, so that way after emptying it in the morning, we can load our dishes throughout the day. It doesn't always work out that way. Sometimes we have extra loads we need to run, but we do try our best. been using dishwasher tablets in the past, but we were having trouble with them not properly cleaning everything. We would still get that kind of film on the silverware and things like that. So I decided to go back to using the Cascade powdered dishwasher detergent that my parents always used when I was a kid, and it works so much better. Our dishes are 1,000% cleaner. The tablets may be quicker and less messy, but I honestly don't feel like they clean as well. While I waited for my hand-washed dishes to dry a little bit before taking a towel to them and putting them away, I cleaned my sink. I used to really only do this about once a week, but I've been trying to incorporate it more frequently. I just feel like if I don't stay on top of it, it can get really gross quite quickly. Plus, I found I really love having that nice, shiny sink. I always wipe down the stovetop with a paper towel rather than my microfiber cloth. I just find that I always pick up so much dark gunk each time that I'm worried if I use the cloths that I will permanently stain them or something. Maybe I'm being a little paranoid, but I would rather be safe than sorry. I have taken to sweeping my floors more lately than vacuuming. I used to use my stick vacuum all the time down here, but I find that my boys leave larger crumbs now than they used to, and the vacuum just doesn't pick them up. Plus, sweeping is much quieter, so I don't have to worry about waking the baby up when he's sleeping. At some point, I think my husband or I spilled some applesauce while feeding the baby that then dried. And since it was under a chair we don't often use, I didn't notice it until now. So while I didn't mop the whole dining room, I did need to clean that up. After finishing the kitchen and dining room, I straightened up all of our shoes here by the garage entry. I lined up the boys' boots, sandals, and soccer cleats by the door because we just don't have room for them in the bench. And honestly, sometimes they end up staying out in the garage just because they're super messy. I want to definitely reorganize this bench and perhaps get a new one, but I honestly don't want to purchase anything right now until I know where we're going to be and what will work. I don't want to buy something and then move and find out it doesn't fit in a new place. Last but not least, I tidied up the living room, which after our movie night definitely needed it. I might be a little weird, but I really feel like I have to have the zipper on the pillow cover on the bottom of the pillow when I place them on the couch. You'll have to let me know down below if you worry about that too. I feel like I'm probably the only one. It seems like such a minor detail to be concerned about, but that's why I look like I'm inspecting each pillow. Once everything was done, I made myself a cup of hot chocolate and relaxed a little bit before heading up to bed. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, definitely be sure to subscribe. I have so many home decorating and homemaking videos here on my channel for you to enjoy. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.